Hello friends, it's me, Evelyn Tozzolo. I'm glad you're watching this video today, and thank you so much for your support. Today I want to talk about credit. If you like to buy a house or you want to fix your credit, I have a few tips. Mostly because there is a lot of people who really wants to buy a house and they don't know how to start. So I always think you should start just checking your credit first, because better credit, you get the opportunity to get better house. You might get better financing, and your points and your interest get better too. So for me, credit is very, very important. So I always advise the people, hey, check your credit before anything, because you have credit, you have everything in your hands. To have credit is better than have anything in this world, okay? So for me, I always recommend go to creditreport.com. Every year they give you a free credit report, and so you can check what is in there. So if there is anything that is not yours, you can dispute. If there is any loans, sometimes we have something like $50, $60. You can go ahead and pay that. That will increase your credit really, really good. So you have chances to raise 3 or 4 points. So that will be very nice. Also, sometimes people don't check the credit for so long, and there is stuff there that should not be there because it's the past due, the status of limitation. So you can go ahead and call the credit report, send some letter, and say, hey, this is past due, the statute of limitation. So they had to remove that. They had 30 days to review, and they had to remove that. So I can help you and give a lot of tips how to fix your credit. You know, I went myself. I used to have bad credit because a lot of stuff happened to me in the past. So I went and I checked and I started working in my credit, and I went from 580 to 700. So it worked. A lot of medicals, little bills, stuff that you forget. They send you the letter, forget it. You can dispute all the stuff. So your credit is very important. Also, I highly recommend to do creditkarma.com. Keep it on your phone and check your credit. I think they only give you 2 reports, but they are really, really good. And that gives you a little bit an idea how your credit is, how increase, if there is anything there new and someone is doing inquiries in your name, you also should know that. So that is a really good tool for you to use. Of course, a lot of the credit cards give you the credit for free and credit monitoring, but some people just don't care about my credit. Yeah, my credit's in there. But yeah, it's important you put your bills and automatic payment every month. Look, that will a great help. When you get paid, you have direct deposit, when your money is coming and going, how much. You can do bill payment to pay your credit cards, your car payment, anything. You will be impressed how much your credit will increase when you do that. So my advice is, like, if you want to increase your credit because you want to buy a house, or just because you want to be proud of your credit, you want to buy a car and get really good interest, I really recommend for you to do that and start working on your credit. It's very, very, rewarding when you fix your credit, you see your scores going up. Also, I always recommend to the people, like, you have a few credit cards, use one to pay the gas. Don't put everything in all the credit cards. You just pay your gas, and next week when you get paid, you pay the full amount, so your credit is always really good standing. Also, keep your credit balance no more than 30% because that lower your credit. So for me, I feel the need to tell the people who wants to buy a house or a car or a boat or anything to want to increase the credit and keep it neat. Just watch for your credit, and you will be really happy than you did. Or well, I hope this kind of help you a lot. So excuse my language, excuse the boo-boos I did in this video, but I know what I mean, okay? So I hope this helped you, and I will keep giving you some more tips about different stuff every day, okay? So keep on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and also I want to invite you to my Facebook page, Evelyn Tozzolo Realtor, and you can look for me and kind of click like you want to support me. And also I have a group, it's mostly for Orlando, but everybody is welcome. It's called Orlando Facebook Marketplace, and you can sell, buy, and you can advertise. The only thing I don't accept is religious and political, because I want to keep things like in a nice way. So thank you so much, and I really, really appreciated you watching my channel, and I hope then you like the content on my videos, and I hope you continue watching my videos, okay? Thank you, bye.